Who knows? I've never seen one. You have to press that thumbs up button. That's the only way I know how to. The little button that looks like a thumbs up. I think it's on the bottom. Looks like that. Double tap, I guess. I don't know. It's got to be somewhere on the screen, I think. Turn the light on. I don't want to flash your eyes, Raven. I don't know. You have to click on it with your mouse. Ah, there, you got it. I see another thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to turn the light out because I don't want to flash Raven's eyes. It's going to be dark, though. What do you think, Raven? You're in the dark. Can you still see her, or is it too dark? Probably too dark. Turn the light back on. What do you see over there, Raven? Thanks for the likes, everybody. Brr, it's cold. I don't think we're gonna stay out much longer. It's too cold. You see how windy it is? Look at her tail. Look at Raven's tail. It just curls up. You straighten it out, it'll curl right back up. She's a good girl. What do you think, Raven? You want to go inside? Too cold out. I think it's starting to snow. It was warm out today, but now it's just about ready to snow. I'm surprised the tree frogs are still out. It's so cold. What do you think, Raven? You want to go in? Moose like the cold. Moose is inside. He's got a hurt paw right now, so we're trying to keep him and Raven separate.